Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving overfitting. Measure training loss and validation loss, and calculate the generalization gap immediately. Once done, prioritize what data is missing, edge cases, rare labels, or domain shifts, and create a focused acquisition plan. You should combine real collection, targeted scraping, and selective annotation rather than reworking model architecture. Make sure to budget labeling effort and define quality checks, so new data will address the actual failures instead of adding redundant examples. You execute the acquisition plan, source diverse examples, prioritizing underrepresented classes and failure modes. Then curate, clean labels, remove duplicates, and enforce consistency rules so new examples improve signal. Once you have raw data, expand it with domain-specific augmentation and careful synthetic generation to cover rare situations. Make sure to validate synthetic realism and keep a held-out validation set untouched. Because relentless data quality and coverage are what reduces memorization, you retrain the model on the expanded, curated dataset and monitor validation metrics, plus a fresh holdout that mirrors production. Once done, use early stopping and sensible learning rate schedules. Make sure checkpoints and version datasets are retained for rollback. If performance still lags, audit the data pipeline for label noise or leak duplicates, and rebalance or acquire more specific cases. One key troubleshooting tip: if validation improves but production fails, check distribution shift, collect a small batch of live data, and iterate.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.